Hello, students. Nowadays, we are starting the lesson Reach for the Top. Uh, it is the story of Santosh Yadav. She was a mountain climber, and we was studying her life about her life and how she was determined for her aim and we had studied in our last video that she went to Delhi and she enrolled herself in Delhi school and after that when parents refused to give her fees, so she decided to do extra work and part-time job for school fee. But after her parents was under pressure and they agreed to pay her fee. Okay, and now the next para. Wishing always to study a bit more, and with her father slowly getting used to her urge for more education, Santosh passed the high school examination and went to Jaipur. And she always wished to study a bit more. She wanted to be a step ahead from the others. And with her father slowly getting used to her urge for more education. In starting, they are not ready for her education, and for her higher education they wanted to get married, but after that when she was determined to get a higher education, so her father slowly getting used to about her urge, about her request for more education. And Santosh passed the high school examination and went to Jaipur. She joined Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel in Jaipur. In Jaipur, she joined the Maharani College and she got a room in a hostel. So Santosh remembers Kasturba Hostel faced the Aravali Hills, and she remembered. She said that Kasturba Hostel was faced the Aravali Hills. I used to watch villagers from my room going up to the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. And she said that when she saw the Aravali Hills, she said, I used to watch villagers from my room and they were going up to the hill and suddenly they disappeared after some time. One day I decided to check it out myself. To check it out myself means find out the truth, where they go. So I found nobody except a few mountaineers. I asked if I could join them. And she one day she decided to check it out, how they climb on the mountain, and she went there and she found there some mountaineers, means some peoples who were climbing on the mountain. So she said that I asked if I could join them. Then she wanted to join them, and to my pleasant surprise, they answered in the affirmative and motivated me to take to climbing. And she said that she was so surprised that they agreed, and they joined her with them, and they answered in affirmative means they agreed. And they motivated me to take to climbing on the rocks on the mountain. Then there was no looking back for this determined young girl. She saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Then there was no looking back. There is no looking back for this determined young girl. And she was so determined young girl, and she was looking ahead. She never looks behind. And she saved money. She saved money for mountaineering, and she enrolled in her course at Uttarkashi Nehru Institute in mountaineering. So in mountaineering, she enrolled herself. She registered herself in a course of mountaineering. She was doing a course in mountaineering at Uttarkashi Nehru Institute in Nehru Institute. My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of the 21st. So I did not go back home. Instead, I headed straight for the training. And she was so eager to do mountaineering that said that she said that her college semester in Jaipur, because she was in the college of Jaipur and she was doing college. So she said that my college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on the 19th of May. It ended on the 19th of May, and I was supposed to be in Uttarkashi on 21st, after 2 days. Her college was ended on 19th of May, and she have to go Uttarkashi for 21st. So she did not go back home after college. Instead, I headed straight for training, and she said that I went to Uttarkashi for training. I had to write a letter of apology to my father, without whose permission I had got my enrolled at Uttarkashi. And her parents did not know anything about her new registration, new enrollment, new course, about her course, mountaineering course. So she had to write a letter of apology. She write a letter of apology. She said sorry to her father, that without their permission she got enrolled at Uttarkashi Nehru Mountaineering Institute. Thereafter, Santosh went on an expedition every year. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and the altitude. And thereafter, when she enrolled herself into the Nehru Institute in Uttarkashi, and she was doing mountaineering course, Santosh went on. She went on an expedition every year. Expedition means journey on the mountain. So she went on the journey every year, and her climbing skill, because she was doing the mountain climbing, so her climbing skills matured rapidly. She was so eager, and she loved that job. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and altitude, because in mountains in Uttarkashi, and there was very cold, and altitude, the high peak and very height. Mm, so she had developed a remarkable resistance with the weather. There, the cold weather and high altitude. Okay, equipped with an iron will, physical endurance, and amazing mental toughness, she proved herself repeatedly. And equipped with the iron will, she was equipped with iron will. Iron will means her willpower was so strong. She had a strong willpower and physical endurance, physical fitness, and amazing mental toughness. She was very strong physically and mentally and emotionally, and she had a strong willpower, and she proved herself repeatedly. She proved herself repeatedly in every situation. She proved herself. You can see it is the mountain climbing, and she was climbing on the mountain. Okay, and she culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992, Just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. The culmination of her hard work. Culmination means result. The result of her hard work and sincerity came. And when? In 1992. In 1992, her hard works and sincerity's result came. And what was the result? Just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. Only 4 years. After only 4 years training, before 4 years, in 1988, she started mountaineering training. She asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. So after 4 years from there, in 1992, the result came. The result of her hard work came. And what was the result? Now we can read. At barely 20 years of age, Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. It is the result. Barely 20 years of age. She was only 20 years, and her age was only 20 years, and Santosh Yadav climbed Mount Everest. She scaled Mount Everest and becoming the youngest woman, and she was the youngest woman in the world, in the whole world. She was the youngest woman to achieve the feat, to climb the Mount Everest. If her climbing skills, physical fitness, and mental strength impressed her scenarios, her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. And there are some other qualities, and the writer said that if her climbing skills, physical fitness, and mental strength impressed her seniors, her climbing skills, her physical fitness, and mental strength impressed her seniors. They impressed about her skills, her concern for others, and they also impressed by looking her concern for others and desire to work together. She wanted to do work in team. So team spirit. She has a skill of team spirit also. With them, found her a special place in the heart of fellow climbers. So she had a special place in her friends, in her fellow climbers. So they impressed about her skills and about her qualities, about her specialties. She was a very nice woman, very good woman. Iron will, physical endurance, and mental toughness characterize Santosh Yadav, and these are her character. These are the part of her personality. Okay, and now next. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Pole. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save another climber, Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. During 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber. She provided special care to the climber who lay dying at the South Pole. Who lay dying, she provided special care to a climber. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him, but he she could not save him by giving her special him special care, but she was not success to save him. However, she managed to save another climber, but the another climber, Mohan Singh, would have met with the same fate. Mohan Singh had a fate at the time of climbing, so she shared her oxygen with him and she saved him. So she was so skillful and she had so good heart that she helped other climbers too. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women expedition that invited her to join them. And within 12 months after climbing on the Mount Everest, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women expedition that invited her to join them. So Indo-Nepalese women expedition, they invited her to join them and she joined them. She then scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Mount Everest twice. And she then scaled the Everest a second time after within 12 months. Within 12 months, she climbed the Mount Everest a second time, and thus she setting a record. She sets a record, the world record, as she was the only woman to have climbed the Mount Everest twice, two times, and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. And she secured for herself and for India the unique place because it was a world record, and it is a unique place in the mountaineering, the history of mountaineering. She wrote her name in world record. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. And in recognition of her achievement, Indian government recognized her achievement and Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors. Government awarded her, Indian government bestowed upon her, and um, the government honors her the Padma Shri. So she was Padma Shri. She got Padma Shri award, and she was honored by the Padma Shri. Okay, so it is the highest award. Padma Award is the highest award. So the top honors, the highest award, the Padma Shri, she was honored by Padma Shri. Okay, so there is only one paragraph describing her feelings when she was literally on top of the world. Santosh had said, "It took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink it. Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world." Describing her feeling when she was literally on the top of the world. When she was on the top of the world means she was on the Mount Everest, the highest peak. The Santosh has said it took some time. It took some time for enormity of the moment to sink it. The enormity of the moment means a very great moment, because that was a great moment when she climbed on the Mount Everest. So she understood it, and she took some time to satisfied her, or to said to herself that she had achieved the great moment, and it was the great moment because she was the top of the world. And then she said that then I unfold the Indian tricolor, and then she unfurled the Indian tricolor, Indian flag, and held it aloft on the roof of the world, and she held it up high. She held up the Indian flag high and on the top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian, she said. She said that it was a truly spiritual moment, and she felt proud as an Indian, that she was an Indian, and she proud on it. Also a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. And also the fervent means having a strong and sincere feeling. She has a strong feeling about environment too. So she was an environmentalist. Why we can say it? Because Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. And from the Himalayas, she collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage. Okay, so it is the end of today's story, and there are some other questions here, and you will do these questions. It is your homework, and here the question second, the question first you have completed in our previous video, but now the second question. So it is your homework. It is your homework. These questions 1 to 5. So 1 to 5, it is your homework. Okay, and now it is the time of Hindi summary. Okay. तो स्टूडेंट्स, पिछली वीडियो में आपने सीख लिया था कि किस तरह से वो एक डिटरमाइंड गर्ल थी और वो स्टार्टिंग से ही उसका एम था और वो एक अलग तरीके से अपनी लाइफ को जीना चाहती थी, एक ट्रेडिशनल वे से नहीं जीना चाहती थी, और उसने ज़बरदस्ती दिल्ली कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया हायर एजुकेशन के लिए, और किस तरह से उसको परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ा। उसके पेरेंट्स एग्री नहीं थे, लेकिन उसकी जिद के आगे, उसके डिटर्मिनेशन के आगे पेरेंट्स को भी एग्री होना पड़ा और वो उसकी फ़ीस देने को तैयार हुए। उसके बाद वो हमेशा कुछ नया, कुछ और अधिक करना चाहती थी, और इस तरह से उसके फादर ने भी उसकी इस अर्ज को, इस निवेदन को स्वीकार कर लिया कि वो कुछ और आगे बढ़ना चाहे। और संतोष ने इस तरह से हाई स्कूल एग्जामिनेशन पास किया और फिर वो हायर एजुकेशन के लिए जयपुर चली गई और महारानी कॉलेज में उसने वहाँ एडमिशन लिया, कस्तूरबा हॉस्टल में रहने लगी। संतोष कहती है कि इस कस्तूरबा हॉस्टल के सामने अरावली हिल्स थी, अरावली की पहाड़ियाँ थी, और वो अधिकतर लोगों को, विलेजर्स को वहाँ जाते हुए देखती थी और देखती थी कि वो पहाड़ी पर चढ़ते हैं और फिर कहीं गायब हो जाते हैं। तो एक दिन उसने डिसाइड किया कि वो भी चेक करेगी, अपने आप खुद चेक करेगी कि वहाँ कैसे चढ़ते हैं। तो वहाँ जा कर के उसको कुछ माउंटेनियर्स मिले जो पहाड़ी पर चढ़ते हैं, माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग करते हैं, और उसने पूछा कि क्या वो भी उनको ज्वाइन कर सकती है। और उसको बड़ा सरप्राइज़ हुआ, बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ कि उन्होंने उसको मोटिवेट किया और कहा हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल हमको ज्वाइन कर सकती हो माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग के लिए, और उसको मोटिवेट भी किया क्लाइंबिंग के लिए। और उसके बाद तो उसने पीछे नहीं देखा। वो बड़ी डिटरमाइंड गर्ल थी, बड़ी दृढ़ निश्चयी, पक्के इरादों वाली महिला लड़की थी, और उसने फिर पैसे बचाने शुरू किए और उसने उत्तरकाशी नेहरू इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ माउंटेनियरिंग, वहाँ एक कोर्स के लिए उसने अप्लाई कर दिया, अपने आप को रजिस्टर कर लिया। और जब उसका कॉलेज का सेमेस्टर ख़त्म हुआ, वैसे तो अप्रैल में होना था लेकिन वो मई में 19 मई को ख़त्म हुआ, और 21 को वो उत्तरकाशी पहुंच गई। वो घर नहीं गई बल्कि सीधे वहाँ से जयपुर से उत्तरकाशी चली गई जहाँ उसने माउंटेनियरिंग कोर्स करना था। और फिर उसने अपने फादर को पत्र लिखा और सॉरी कहा कि मैं आपको नहीं बताया और आप बिना आपकी परमिशन से के मैंने उत्तरकाशी माउंटेनियरिंग कोर्स के लिए मैंने अपने आप को रजिस्टर कर लिया है। संतोष आगे बढ़ती रही और जो यात्राएं जाती थी क्लाइंबिंग की, उनके साथ वो जाती थी। उसकी जो क्लाइंबिंग स्किल्स थी वो मैच्योर होने लगी बहुत तेज़ी से, वो बड़ी तेज़ी से सीखने लगी, और उसने एक रिमार्केबल रेजिस्टेंस भी डेवलप किया, क्योंकि पहाड़ों पर ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा होती है और हाई एल्टीट्यूड में अपने आप को एडजस्ट करना, दैट इज़ अ डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क। और उसने ये सब कुछ किया, इस तरह से पहाड़ी पर चढ़ते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर। तो इसके लिए उसने अपने आप को बहुत जल्दी तैयार कर लिया हाई एल्टीट्यूड के लिए और कोल्ड के लिए, ठंड के लिए। और उसके पास 3 स्पेशल चीज़ें थी, 3 स्पेशल करेक्टरिस्टिक्स थे उसके, उसकी स्पेशलिटीज़ थी। क्या क्या? एक तो उसके पास आयरन विल थी। आयरन विल मीन्स विल पावर बहुत अधिक थी, फिजिकल फिटनेस और फिजिकल फिट थी, एंड मेंटल टफनेस, और जल्दी से घबराती नहीं थी, वो मानसिक रूप से बहुत मजबूत थी। तो इस तरह से उसने अपने आप को बार बार प्रूव किया, और उसके हार्ड वर्क का रिजल्ट भी तुरंत आया। जब उसने अरावली हिल्स में कुछ माउंटेनियरिंग से वो पहली बार मिली थी, और बड़े हेजिटेशन के साथ उसने उनसे पूछा था कि क्या वो भी ज्वाइन कर सकती है उनको। उस दिन के 4 साल बाद, ओनली 4 ईयर्स, आफ्टर 4 ईयर्स, उसकी हार्ड वर्क का उसको रिजल्ट मिल गया। क्या रिजल्ट मिला? क्योंकि केवल 20 साल की एज में वो माउंट एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ गई, और दुनिया की सबसे छोटी वुमेन, सबसे कम एज की वुमेन बन गई जिसने कि ये अचीवमेंट लिया है, जो कि माउंट एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ी है। तो ये भी रिकॉर्ड उसके नाम है, वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया। और फिर इस तरह से उसकी जो क्लाइंबिंग स्किल्स हैं, उसकी जो फिजिकल फिटनेस है और मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ है, उससे उसके सीनियर्स भी बहुत प्रभावित होते थे। और केवल इसी चीज़ से प्रभावित नहीं होते थे, बल्कि उसका जो लोगों के प्रति और अन्य लोगों के प्रति जो उसकी कंसर्न होता था, उसके विचार होते थे, या उसकी इच्छा होती थी कि वो एक टीम वर्क में काम करे, लोगों के साथ मिल के काम करे। और इस तरह से एक स्पेशल प्लेस उसने बना लिया लोगों के दिलों में। अपने साथी, जो उसके साथी क्लाइंबर्स थे, उनके दिलों में वो उसने एक अपना स्पेशल प्लेस बनाया, क्योंकि वो सबकी मदद करती थी। 1992 के एवरेस्ट मिशन के दौरान संतोष यादव ने एक क्लाइंबर को स्पेशल केयर दिया, उसकी हेल्प की, लेकिन वो उसको बचा नहीं पाई अनफॉर्चुनेटली। लेकिन उसने एक दूसरे क्लाइंबर मोहन सिंह को बचाने में उसकी मदद की, और उसको अपनी ऑक्सीजन शेयर की उसके साथ, और उसको उसकी जान बचाई। तो इस तरह से उसने दूसरों की भी मदद की है। और 12 महीने के अंदर अंदर माउंटेन फतह करने के बाद, एवरेस्ट फतह करने के बाद, एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ने के बाद 12 महीने के अंदर अंदर उसने इंडो नेपालीज वुमेन एक्सपीडिशन ने उसको इनवाइट किया, और उसने उनको ज्वाइन किया। और उसके 12 महीने के अंदर अंदर वो सेकेंड टाइम एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ गई, दूसरी बार भी एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ गई। और अब तो उसने एक और वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया कि एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ने वाली वो पहली महिला बनी वर्ल्ड की जो एवरेस्ट पर 2 बार चढ़ी हो। और इस तरह से उसने अपने लिए और इंडिया के लिए एक यूनिक प्लेस बनाया, एक यूनिक, एक बहुत ही यूनिक स्थान बनाया माउंटेनियरिंग के इतिहास में। और उसके इस अचीवमेंट को गवर्नमेंट ने भी रिकॉग्नाइज़ किया, गवर्नमेंट ने भी देखा, पहचाना, और उसको पद्मश्री अवार्ड, पद्मश्री के अवार्ड से उसको सम्मानित किया, पद्मश्री दिया उसको, जो हाईएस्ट अवार्ड होता है इंडिया का। पद्मश्री मतलब एक तो पद्म विभूषण, पद्मश्री, पद्म भूषण, ये जो अवार्ड होते हैं, तो ये भारत सरकार ने उसको सम्मानित किया। और फिर वो अपनी फीलिंग को डिस्क्राइब करती है कि जब वो एवरेस्ट पर चढ़ी थी और दुनिया के टॉप पर जब चढ़ गई थी, तो उसकी फीलिंग्स क्या थी। वो कहती है कि शुरू में तो मुझे कुछ टाइम लगा, कुछ मोमेंट लगे मुझे ये महसूस करने के लिए कि वो उसने इतना कितनी बड़ी अचीवमेंट ली है, और उसने इतना बड़ा काम किया है, और उसके ये जो मोमेंट हैं, ये जो क्षण हैं, वो कितने स्पेशल हैं और कितने ग्रेट मोमेंट हैं। इसको उसने अपने आप को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए कुछ क्षण लिए, और फिर उसने इंडियन ट्राई कलर को, भारतीय जो तिरंगा है, उसको दुनिया के छत पर गाड़ दिया, दुनिया के छत पर लहराया। और इन डिस्क्राइबेबल फीलिंग्स हैं ये, इन फीलिंग्स को डिस्क्राइब नहीं किया जा सकता है। और इंडियन फ्लैग वाज फ्लाइंग ऑन द टॉप ऑफ वर्ल्ड, और इंडियन फ्लैग जो है वो दुनिया के टॉप पर लहरा रहा था। और ये जो मोमेंट था ये वास्तव में एक ट्रूली स्पिरिचुअल मोमेंट उसने कहा है। और वो कहती है कि मुझे प्राउड है इस बात पर, मुझे गर्व है इस बात पर कि मैं एक इंडियन हूँ। और एक इन्वायरमेंटलिस्ट भी वो है। उसके अंदर एक जो फीलिंग्स है इन्वायरमेंटलिस्ट की, इन्वायरमेंट के लिए काम करने की, वो भी प्रूव होती है क्योंकि संतोष यादव ने 500 किलो कचरा वहाँ पहाड़ पर इकट्ठा किया और उसको वहाँ से नीचे लेके आई, हिमालय से, माउंटेन से और एवरेस्ट से 500 किलो कचरा जो वहाँ इकट्ठा था उसको नीचे लेके आई। तो इस तरह से संतोष यादव की ये स्टोरी थी। ये आपने पढ़ी है, बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है। एक डिटर्मिनेशन होना चाहिए, एक पक्के इरादे वाला इंसान ही कुछ कर सकता है। और इस तरह से ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आपको अभी दिया है होमवर्क में। ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन, इसमें जो जितने भी ये 5 क्वेश्चंस हैं ये सब आप करोगे। इट इज़ योर होमवर्क। ओके, सो इट इज़ द एंड ऑफ टुडेज़ वीडियो। थैंक यू।